I'm going to show you how you can go from anxious and stressed to calm and relaxed in just seconds with the panoramic vision technique. And it simply involves shifting your focus of what you're aware of in your visual field. It's based on neuroscience, and it's literally like discovering a switch in your brain that can turn off stress and turn on relaxation. You know how you tend to feel really relaxed when you're looking out at an expansive view like the sunset on the horizon? Well, it turns out that it's not just because it's beautiful that you feel relaxed. It's also because when your vision gets really open and broad and expansive, that sends a signal to your nervous system that you're safe and that you can relax. And the opposite is also true, that when you perceive a threat, your vision gets really narrow and zoomed in. Like if you're out hiking and you hear a scary noise in the bushes, your vision is going to reflexively get really narrow and pointed, and your pupils will dilate, and that instantly sends a message to your brain that puts your nervous system into fight or flight mode. So the great thing about this technique is that we can intentionally reverse that effect by focusing more on peripheral vision, and that activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which triggers the relaxation response. So in a moment, I'm going to guide you through it and show you how it works. But first, I want to show you how I know that it works for my nervous system almost instantly. So I'm looking out over this gorgeous, expansive view. By the way, isn't it beautiful? And I'm just taking it all in, just like I normally would. But this time, I'm going to bring more of my awareness to the very periphery of my vision. So I instantly yawn, which is a sign that I'm shifting into parasympathetic. So I just think it's really amazing that it's so quick and effective, and I hope that you'll find that it works that well for you. So first, don't do this while driving or doing anything that requires your full attention. And go ahead and check in with your body and your mind and notice how calm and relaxed you feel on a scale of 0 to 10, with 10 being the most calm and relaxed you could feel. And just make a mental note of that so you can compare and see how it shifts afterwards. And you don't need to be outside or have an expansive view for this. You can be indoors. It's not about what you're looking at, it's just about your awareness of your visual field. So go ahead and let your eyes drift away from the screen and turn your gaze toward whatever direction feels the most open to you. Keep your head and eyes still as you take in the full view of the space around you. And now go ahead and focus your attention more on your peripheral vision. Notice the sides, the top and bottom of your visual field, even your own body. Noticing your body on the edges of your visual field. And you might yawn, or you might notice other changes, like your breathing deepening, perhaps tension releasing, your mind settling, maybe a feeling of well-being, like all is well. And just continuing to focus more on that peripheral vision, on each side, top and bottom. And if you at any point notice your focus narrowing, like if something catches your eye, just gently return to focusing on the periphery. And you can pause the video if you'd like more time to enjoy relaxing. Otherwise, go ahead and come back. Let your gaze do whatever feels comfortable. Notice any changes in your body and mind. Notice where your calm and relaxation level is on that 10-point scale. Hopefully it's improved significantly. I hope that you have found this to be a helpful tool and that it's something you might want to continue to use for quick stress relief. The more that you practice it, the more it teaches your nervous system how to quickly shift out of that stress response. And that's actually a sign of good resilience to stress, is being able to move in and out of it easily. This is also a great tool to use to reset your nervous system after screen time. It's also great for eye strain. I even use this with my eyes closed when I want to wind down before sleep. So if this was helpful, and by any chance you might know someone else who's dealing with stress, please feel free to share it with them. If you'd like another quick stress relief tool, you can click the link here. Or if you'd like to watch the full playlist of quick stress relief tools, you can do that here at this link. And if you'd like to know when the next video is coming out, make sure and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. I hope it was helpful. Take good care.